Every LLM app hits the token wall eventually. Most just crash or truncate silently. I built ContextWeaver as a drop-in middleware layer that sits between your app and the LLM. It tracks token usage in real time and runs pluggable compression strategies, summarization, sliding window, semantic deduplication, to keep you inside the context limit without throwing away what matters. The retention evaluator runs after each compression pass and scores what survived, so you're not just truncating blindly. This project was built end-to-end by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Installation is a single pip command. You wrap your existing LLM client with ContextWeaver, configure which strategies you want, and the middleware handles the rest. No changes to your application logic. Source is on GitHub under Ritik paddle. If you're hitting context limits in production, this is worth a look.